Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how we enter data into Dataverse without using any form in Microsoft Dynamics 365C. So first, go to the Make.Power Apps. So on the left hand navigation pane, click on Tables from here and then click on Accounts. And this account column and data is here behaving in exactly the same kind of interface you would be used to if you are working with SharePoint or Microsoft lists. Now we just need to make sure that the right column are here. So here you can add the different column this part and by clicking on edit. So you might want to take this out in a different screen. Now as you can see account name, main phone, address one city, primary contact, and if you can change this click on this drop down. So as you can see on the right hand side, you will got the column on the screen. If you want to more select this existing column, now I am selecting email from here and then click on the save button. So we got all of that information. Now give the detail like account name is testing and in phone I am giving 1342567 8 like that. In a city I am giving Delhi and select the primary contact from the lookup is Alex Baker and give the email testing at the rate gmail.com. And if you go ahead and add another one, there you go and you can enter your data exactly as you would be use SharePoint or Microsoft list and also directly into Dataverse. So in this video, we covered how we enter data into a Dataverse without using any form in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.